Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And today we will read the remaining question of exercise 4.1. And the next question of exercise 4.1, question number 5. Write minors and cofactor of following determinants corresponding to first column. Also find the value of determinants. It means minor and cofactor. Find the value of minor and cofactor of following determinants corresponding of first column. Only first columns. Okay. Let determinant of A is equal to 1 minus 3 2, 4 minus 1 2, 3 5 2. Okay. Before minor of first column, minors of element 1 implies denoted by of minors is equal to mij. It means m1 1 over 1. M it means minor. 1 1 position of element 1 first row first column is equal to leaving the corresponding row and column of element 1. It means minus 1 2 5 2. Okay, is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus k 10 is equal to minus k 12. Again, minors of element 4, it means m1 m2 1 over 4 is equal to 4 leaving the corresponding row and column of element 4 row and column. It means minus 3 2 5 2 is equal to minus का 6 minus का 10 is equal to minus के 16. Next, m3 1 over 3 is equal to minus of element 3 m3 1 over 3 is equal to leaving the corresponding row and column of element 3. It means minus 3 2 minus 1 2 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. Sorry, minus 6. 3 into 2 6. It means minus 4. Okay. And cofactor of element 1. Cofactor of element 1. Formula of cofactor mij is equals to minus 1 to power I plus j into mij. Okay. So, sorry, fij. It means f over 1 1 over 1 is equal to minus 1 to power 1 plus 1 minus 1 to power 1 plus 1 into m11. Minus 1 to power 1 plus 1 plus 1 even number, it means minus plus m11 is equal to minus 12. It means minus k 12. Okay, and f(21/4) is equal to -1 to power 2 plus 1 into m21 is equal to -1 to power 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 3. It means odd number, odd, negative, negative, into m21 is equal to -16 minus plus. Okay, and f(31/3) is equal to -1 to power 3 plus 1 into m31. Okay, 3 plus 1 4, even number, it means minus plus. m31 is equal to -4. Minors of element 1 4 3, cofactor of element 1 4 3, and value of, hence value of determinant of A is equal to A11/f11 plus A21/f21 plus A31 into f31 is equal to 1 into -12 plus 4 into 16 plus 3 into -4 is equal to -12. 4 into 16 plus 64 minus 12 is equal to 40. Okay, it means determinant of A is equal to 40. That is the answer. Next question, last question of exercise 4.1, question number 7. Prove that (1) A B minus A 1 C minus B minus C 1 is equal to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, implies, prove, it means left side is equal to 1 A B minus A 1 C minus B minus C 1. On expanding along first row, first row R1. Okay, implies left is equal to first element, leaving the corresponding row and column of element 1. It means 1 into 1 1 minus C into C C square minus minus plus. Okay, minus A, leaving the corresponding row and column of element A. Minus A into 1 minus A minus B into C minus BC, it means plus BC plus B into plus SC plus B is equal to 1 plus C square plus A square minus ABC plus ABC plus B square. ABC cancel out, it means 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, implies left is equal to right. Okay, left is equal to right. So exercise 4.1 complete, and next topic of exercise 4.2. Next topic, properties of determinants. First property, the value of the determinants remains unchanged if its row and columns are unchanged. It means the value of determinants remains unchanged of its row and column are interchanged. For example, del is equal to 2 3 1 2 0 2 3 1 5. Value of delta is equal to, on expanding along R1 2 into leaving the corresponding of row and column of element 2, it means 0 minus 2 minus 3 row and column 5 into 2 10 minus 6 plus 1 into 2 minus 0. Okay, is equal to 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 10 minus 6 4 4 into 3 minus 12 plus 2 minus 4 minus 12 minus 16 plus 2, it means minus 14. It means delta is equal to minus 14. Okay, according to property first, row and column are interchanged. Row and column are interchanged. Row 2 3 1 colon 2 3 1 row 2 0 2 change row colon 2 0 2 colon row 3 1 5 interchange colon 1 3 3 1 5. Okay, value of delta 1 is equal to, on expanding along R1 2 into 0 minus 2 into 15 minus 1 plus 3 into row and column 6 minus 0. 0 minus 2 minus 2, it means minus 4. 14 15 minus 1 14 14 into 2 minus 28 plus 6 into 3 at 10 is equal to minus 28 minus 4 minus 42 plus 18, it means minus 40. Del 1 is equal to minus 14. So del is equal to del 1. Okay, del equal to del 1, it means property first true, the value of the determinants remains unchanged if its row and column are interchanged. Okay, second property, if any two row or two columns, if any two row and two columns of a determinants are interchanged, then sign of determinants change. Okay, if any two row or two columns of determinant are interchanged, then sign only sign of determinant change. For example, del equal to something, on expanding of along R1 2, it means del is equal to minus 15, same 14 minus 14, del equal minus 14 and del 1 is equal to interchange 2 0 2 2 3 1, it means R1 operation R2. Okay, R1 operation R2, it means interchange row first and row second. R1 R2 2 0 2 R1 2 3 1 R1 operation R2. Any two row R1 and R2. Okay, or two columns, on expanding along R1 to 15 minus 1 minus 0 10 minus 3 plus 2, 2 minus 9. Okay, 15 minus 1, 14, 14 into 2, 28, minus 0. Okay, plus 9, 2 minus 9 minus 7, 7 into 2 minus 14. It means 28 minus 14. 28 minus 14, it means 40. Positive. Del 1 is equal to 14 positive. Del is equal to minus 14 and del 1 is equal to 14. When R1 interchange R2, it means R1 operation R2. Property second row, if any two row and columns of determinant are interchanged, R1 operation R2, then sign of determinants change. Sign of determinants change. Del equal to minus 14 and del 1 is equal to plus 40. Okay, next property third, if two row or two columns of a determinant are identical, then the value of the determinants is 0. Identical, it means equal. If two row or two columns of a determinants are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. Del is equal to 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5. Because R1 is equal to R2. It means identical, R1 and R2. Value of delta on expanding along R1, 2 into 15 minus 8 minus 3 into row and column 10 minus 4 plus 4, 4 minus 3. 15 minus 8, 7, 7 into 2, 14, minus 10 minus 4, 6, 6 into 3, minus 18, plus 4 minus 3, 1, 1 into 4, 4. 14 plus 4, 18, minus 18, 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. It means delta is equal to 0. Property third is true. It means if two row and two columns of a determinant are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. It means R1 is equal to R2, C1 equal to C2, C2 equal to C3, R1 equal to R3, R2 equal to R3, anyone. Okay, and del is equal to 0. Next property fourth. If each element of a row or a column of a determinant consists of sum of two or more terms. If each element of row and column of a determinant consists of sum of two or more terms, it means row column first, sum of two terms, column first, C1, A1 plus D1, A2 plus D2, A3 plus D3. Okay, then the determinants can be expressed as the sum of two or more determinants whose other row or columns are not altered. Okay, for example, del equal to A1 plus D1, B1 C1, A2 plus D2, B2 C2, A3 plus D3, B3 C3. Each element of row or column of a determinant consists of sum of two terms, column first, sum of two terms. It means sum of two or more determinants. Okay, it means A1 B1 C1, A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3, A3 B3 C3. Plus, it means plus. Okay, A1 A2 A3, A1 A2 A3 use. And D1 D2 D3, D1 D2 D3, D1 D2 D3, and B1 B2 B3, B1 B2 B3, C1 C2 C3, C1 C2 C3. Okay, it means del is equal to del 1 plus del 2. Sum of two or more determinants. first column sum of two terms determines 2 and sum of three terms sum of 3 determines 1 del 1 del 2 and del 3. Okay, again a1 plus d1 b1 c1 a2 plus d2 b2 c2 a3 plus d3 b3 c3 is equal to a1 a2 a3 a1 a2 a3 colon second and third same to same del 1 and del 2 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3 change a1 a2 a3 and d1 d2 d3 d1 d2 d3 plus del 1 plus del. Okay, property fourth complete. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you.